guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be very quick, short and sweet. I am opening my Ipsy bag. I got it in the mail today. I'm super excited and I just want to know what's in here. Just in case you don't know, Ipsy is a monthly subscription bag where you get beauty and makeup and skincare related items for $10 a month, and it comes with a cute little bag every month. So this is the bag for this month. Interesting. So it's like a red pleather type bag, and it has the embossing of a mask on it. So very cute. And of course on the little tag it says Ipsy as usual. Okay, so let's go ahead and open her up and see what we got. Now on the card it says, "Who said nights were for sleep?" So this is what the card looks like this month. Very cute. I don't want to get my glasses. Dang it. I gotta get my glasses. Okay, I got my glasses. One of the reasons why I'm trying to go through this bag rather quickly is because I do have a bit of a headache. So I want to get these products out so you guys can see what's in here. Ooh, there's something sticking out. So let's just grab this first product here. And it doesn't say on here, yeah, it doesn't list the products as usual. It just has some general information on here. Okay, you guys, so let's take a look at this first item here. And it looks like just a cute little fluffy eyeshadow brush, if you can see that there. Yeah, it's just a cute little fluffy eyeshadow brush. I'm not going to open this because 9 times out of 10 I'm going to give it away. But it has a really pretty, like, glittery purple handle, if you can see that. Very cute. And there is a name on this brush, but it's very tiny. Very tiny and hard to read through here. It looks like maybe Miss Glam. I don't know, don't quote me on that, but it's a very cute eyeshadow brush. Okay, so that is the first item. The next item, let's see here, what is this? Incredible Cosmic Blur Iridescent Jelly. Incredible, you glow girl. Okay, so this is what the little container looks like. It says Incredible, you glow girl. And what is this though? Iridescent jelly. Is this like one of those little eye topper things? I don't know what this is, and it has a safety seal on here, you guys. Let me open this up. Yeah, that's the only thing I don't like, is that they don't give the product description and pricing and everything on the little card like BoxyCharm does, but I guess for $10 it's not in the budget. So I'm trying to get this safety seal off, you guys. Oh, now it's oozing out. Whatever it is, it's oozing out. Ah! Okay, let me just, what in the glowy gel? You guys, look at this. Okay, this is what it looks like on my finger. So what is this? I'm so confused. I really, oh, okay. Whatever it is very glowy and very pretty. Okay, what is this, you guys? I'm gonna have to go on the website and find out what this is, because I don't know what this is. I'm just rubbing it and rubbing it. Whatever it is, it's very iridescent and very glowy. What the heck is this? They could help a sister out. Just, you know, what is this? Okay, you guys, I had to go to the website and look it up because I had no idea what this was or what I'm supposed to do with it. So this Incredible You Glow Girl iridescent jelly that looks like this. I guess you're supposed to be able to use it on your lid, on your cheeks, on your eyes, your lips, wherever. And I guess it's supposed to kind of shift, you know, whatever color that you're wearing in those areas and give it an iridescent glow. I don't know. It's a little sticky. I mean, it's something maybe I would try over an eyeshadow, but that's probably about it. So that's what that is. This You Glow Girl. so that's what that is. This You Glow Girl stuff. I don't know how I feel about it personally. I guess somebody would be in love with this, but not me. Okay, next. Ooh, something from Tarte. Okay, very, very cute. Okay, Tarte Shape Tape. It's so funny that I got this Tarte Shape Tape because I have never tried Tarte Shape Tape before in my life. And I was actually going to try the Shape Tape before, you know, they got on so many people's no-buy list because of their antics. So I could try it out without even buying it. So yeah, I'm kind of glad I got this. Okay, Double Duty Beauty Tarte. What color is this? Deep. Okay, so I got some Tarte Shape Tape. Very cool, didn't have to buy it. Next, I got here from Naked Cosmetics. Looks like some type of loose pigment. And you can see that. Yeah, it looks like a loose pigment. And it actually looks like a pretty, very pretty color. Some type of green. Let me go ahead and open this up. This is in the color Rainforest. I'm not typically drawn to loose pigments because they can get a bit messy if you're not careful. And I'm not always the most careful person. I can be a klutz at times. But, you know, hopefully I can kind of show you what color is in here. Yeah, so it's very, very pretty. Very, very pretty green shade. So, yeah, it kind of looks like that sticky, icky, ooh wee. Not that I would know. I don't know. I'm just assuming. I'm guessing, okay, that it looks like the ooh wee. But yeah, so it's a loose pigment. Let me go ahead and see if I can do a little swatch of this for you guys. That is the shade that I have. Rainforest. So it's actually a nice, really pretty shade. I could see myself doing a green eye look and using this on my lid. It's very pretty. Very, very pretty. Okay, and I think I have one more item. Yes. This is Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. And I really like this stuff. So glad I got this. I got some of this in my BoxyCharm before. We all got the cute little jar. So this is in a nice little squeeze tube. Is this the same stuff? Yeah. Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. So this is the Rio de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream. And let me see. Yeah, there's a safety seal, so I'm not gonna pop it. You guys know this stuff smells amazing. It smells like a vacation in a tube. So I love this stuff. So that's my whole Ipsy bag, you guys. Got this cute little red bag with this mask embossing on here. And I got this incredible jelly glow stuff that I can use as an iridescent topper, I guess. Maybe I'll try this out on my eyes or something. I also got this loose pigment from Naked Cosmetics, and this one, like I said, is the color Rainforest. Very pretty. I also got some Tarte Shape Tape to try, which I'm excited about because I've never tried it before. And I got this cute little eyeshadow brush that I will be giving away because I don't need it. So that's it for my Ipsy bag, you guys. I hope you had fun watching me struggle trying to figure this stuff out. But I'm curious to know what you guys got in your bag this month because I had no idea what I was getting. I didn't look at any spoilers or anything. So let me know down below if you got your box, what you got, or if you are excited about possibly getting some of the items I got, or if you hate them all and you don't want anything in my bag. I want to know that too. So just let me know, you guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Toodaloo!